Hey guys, this is Max50 and welcome back to another video, and today you join me out here in the Swedish countryside at my uncle's house, and over there is the Tesla. So yeah, you thought he would get a Model 3. No, he didn't want to wait anymore for the Model 3, so he picked up his, because I would come next year, and he's already waited for like 2 years. So instead he bought a used Tesla Model S P85 Plus, and yeah, in this red color here. It looks pretty good. So well, I got the key and I'll take a look inside there. It's quite a cool key, blue, looking pretty cool. Wait, so how the fuck do you unlock it? Okay, here, and that's it. Yep, here we have unlocked. As you can see, the handles, they came out like that when you unlock the car, and then just step inside here. And close the door. Windows are going up. Oh, it's hot in here, it's really hot in here. So well, the Model S P85 Plus. Oh, there goes the radio. How do I turn off that? Maybe there. I don't know if I turned it off. Yeah, it's paused. So well, this is the Model S P85 Plus. 71% battery is at. I don't know if it has a charger here or something. But well, this is. I love the interior. It looks so futuristic. You got there's not too much stuff in here. Just like, yeah, you got this big tablet here. Here's your hazards button, warning indicator button, and yeah, I don't know, the car is maybe on. Anyways, there we have the back seat, and the back seat. This thing looks so futuristic. There's so much space here. Look, you have this where you can put stuff. You have the cup holders here. Some cup holders here, which is just really smart, really cool way. You open those up and you get cup holders. And well, I love this. You can just put your hand here. I had a ride in it earlier, and I'll show you that later. But it's really quick. As you know, the P90D does 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, and well, that's as fast as an Aventador, I'm quite sure. This one though, it does it in about 4 seconds, so it's still quite quick. The P90D has 700 horsepower. This one has about 400 horsepower, and as you also know, the new Tesla Roadster does 0 to 100 in 1.9 seconds, which is extremely quick. It's the fastest accelerating car in the world, pretty much, I think. So yeah, and here you put down the windows. I don't know if you could do that now. That's pretty nice. That was the rear window, and here's the front window. And then we'll take that up again. Same with the rear one. So yeah, the car is on, and well, these, I'm not. Yeah, I think you choose things on here with these. Well, there's not too much stuff in here, like, and also the rear seats, they are so big, but they don't look like ordinary rear seat. It's like completely flat down there, and you got these there, and the seats are just so cool. I actually love this car. Yeah, and since it's my uncle's car, I can have like rides in it when I'm out with family and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be extremely fun. So yeah, it's my first Tesla I had a ride in. It's just amazing, just feeling the power. Yeah, we also have a calendar there. I have a calendar there. Now then you gotta connect your iPhone. The navigation system here. Not really gonna show where we are. Yeah, the navigation system here. Oh, now full screen here. And then we have the music, which is Spotify, and you gotta sign in and stuff. I think the sound system in here should be pretty good. I think we heard it before now. Let's just... No, that was not too good. This one should work. I have no idea. This, I think this is the reversing camera. Holy shit. It's very easy to just do things. And here you can call people. Now nothing is really connected because he just picked up this car yesterday, so it's a brand new car. Like, he's a brand new owner of it anyways. Not a brand new car, but yeah, you have some statistics. Projected 213 kilometers range, so I guess this car has gone 213 kilometers, or that's the average range. I don't know really what this is all about. Instant range 25 kilometers. I have no idea. No idea what I'm doing. Don't want to do anything wrong here, but there's so much to play around with here. I don't want to get to the sound system. Oh, there you have some. Pretty good. Well, I'll get out of the car and get into the back seat now, and I'll take the key with me for, yeah, just to make sure nothing happens. I'll just step out. Actually, yeah, this is really nice. Oh. There you go. And well, we got this carbon fiber wing here. That's a really nice option for Model S, and we'll try the back seat here. I've never been in the back seat before. Let's try this. Oh my god, it feels very, very weird for some reason. It doesn't feel like you're in a back seat at all, and there the car turned itself off, I guess because there's no one in there. I don't know, this car is just, it feels like the future, although this is a 2014 year car. Like, bruh, the future was already here. The future, oh my god. It's a cool experience to be in a Tesla. In the backseat you don't have too much at all. You barely have anything. You like do anything to this. Yeah, you still got this where you can put your arm, which is really nice. And then you can put down the window yourself. Now I can't do anything because the car is not on. Well, these are turned on. These are some lights here, some lamps. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Bam. This is cool. So this is Tesla now. Those were the door handles. This is a really cool car. The keys, it feels very plastic, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Or no, this is just a case. The actual keys in here. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So Tesla Model S, open the trunk. There you go. It's quite a lot of space actually. It's a sedan, but quite a lot of space. Yep. And then you just close it. That's pretty cool. To fill up the space, since there's no really engine in here, there's just an electric engine which is really small. So you can also open up this, and then I guess lift this up. So well, there's some more space in here to put shit, some more luggage space in here. So yeah, this is a really cool car. Tesla Model S P85 Plus.
Du går en 800.
Oh shit! Yeah.
100.
Vad var det där då? 4 eller? Så fort. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I head home from here. First experience in a Tesla, first ride in a Tesla Model S P85 Plus, my uncle's new car. That was really nice. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment what you thought, and subscribe for more videos like these. Yeah, see you guys.